Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Thoughtful Journey Memories and More card pack, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to be using a couple flowers from the Fully Flowers Ephemera pack. And I'm going to be using the Saying Something Ephemera pack. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I just wanted to get into the swing of things a little bit easier. So the beginning of the new annual catalog has these ephemera packs and shares with you how to quickly make some cards. And so that's what I'm going to do with you today. As you can see, I'm going through some of the smaller pages and the bigger pages to see what I can use. I eventually end up making, 5 cards. And I'm going to start off with these sort of bigger Memories and More cards. You can also use these for scrapbooking, but I thought I would put some adhesive on the pages and put them on my basic white thick card base. Now, they're not as big. They're not 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. They are wider and thinner. So I am going to leave about a 1/8 gap on the top and bottom of my card, and then I'm going to trim off the excess, as you will see. So we're just going to be creating pretty simple cards. That's what Mondays are supposed to be, simple. And you know, you don't have to have a lot of products, and you know that I have a lot of products. I have full set syndrome. I'm pretty sure that everybody who is an avid crafter or maker, you also probably have that same ailment. So I am happy to get back into the swing of things. I've been editing my little face off recently because I had a lot of classes that I had to work for, and comes classes, comes a lot of filming and editing for me. And then my whole entire apartment got into a gong show. I was working lots at the salon, and I started to feel overwhelmed. I don't know if any of you do that, so I had to sort of stop everything and do a reset. So I had to really, spring cleaning, I guess, partly, and so that I can continue on. I easily get overwhelmed these days, so I am trying my best to grab hold of this situation and be healthy and all of that. So I am showing you now sort of how the cards are going to go. I have 5 cards here. I've chosen some bits and pieces. This is like I said, the Thoughtful Journey Memories and More card pack, and it has a sentiment right on it. So I don't want the whole entire little card. I just want this oval here, so I'm gonna fussy cut. And you know what, those are big scissors. Stampin' Up used to sell them. They don't sell them anymore. There's a duplicate scissor that you may find called in Epicure, and it's a kitchen scissor, and you might want to pick that up if you're looking for a long scissor. What I ended up pulling was the paper butterfly accents. They're still available, and I'm going to apply that to one of my cards. And here I also wanted the words again, but not the full card. So I'm just fussy cutting. It's a simple shape, so I can fussy cut around. If you didn't want to do the dips or the semicircles there, you could just leave them square if you wanted to. You could cut this in a paper trimmer if you wanted. I'm pretty handy with a scissor. As you might know, I'm a hairstylist, in case you didn't know that. So I feel at home to cut things. All right, so these are the Saying Something Ephemera pack. And I ended up using All the Best for one of the cards. And for this card, I'm inking up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I got that circle from the Fully Flowers ephemera, and I stamped happy birthday. So I'm gluing All the Best, which is this ephemera. I love that word, by the way. I don't know what it is about the word. I like it. So, and this just makes it easy. So if you didn't want to stamp or have all the inks or whatever, you certainly can. You don't have to, right? So this ribbon is a brand new ribbon to me, and I will look and see what it's called. It is a white 1/4 inch diagonal trim. I believe it's a combo. It works with the Pretty in Petal Pink or something, exactly the same. Really lovely to tie, very soft, doesn't fray, nice new ribbon. So this Fully Flowers ephemera pack had these flowers, and I was curious and I wanted to try them out and see how they worked with my blends markers. So these markers are alcohol markers. Sometimes they're juicy, and sometimes if the paper isn't just, you know, like a nice smooth paper, then they can bleed, and they bleed over the lines that you're trying to color within. These did not do that. I was going right up to the edge, coloring over some. Very, very impressed. So you can color just the whatever color you wanted in this ephemera pack. And I mean, I didn't try it with my watercolor pencils. Maybe that'll be a test that I can do a little bit later, but I really liked it. Okay, so here I want to, you see those little sprigs of like greenery? I want to match the greenery that's on my card front, and I can't tell what it is. So I'm like, I will go onto the package and find out what green that is. And on the package of the Thoughtful Journey Memories and More, there, it doesn't really say. So I'm like, what the heck? It's not that color. It's not this color. So in your new annual catalog, you will find this wheel. And what I did with this wheel is I cut it out so that I can identify the colors if I'm confused. So just a little tip there. If you found this tip handy, write color wheel in your comment so that I know that you were watching for mostly the whole video, and share with me that you were impressed with that little tip or not. I just used that new beige cardstock and put it on the back side, and like I ripped a page out of my catalog, but that's okay. I got a couple, so I don't mind, and it's a handy tool now. And I hear that Stampin' Up! Will come out with one shortly before the end of the year. So that's nice. Okay, as you can see, I'm talking over and not explaining what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure that you can figure it out. I put that happy birthday one. Actually, tell you what, put a comment below. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on my blog or on Facebook, you can't really comment in the comments below. But anyway, tell me which one's your favorite. So we have just the big happy birthday one. We have All the Best one. That's the polka dots. We have Sending All My Love. That's the pretty bow. Then there's the happy birthday with the flowers. And now this is the thanks with the butterflies. So this particular, I was really impressed with this embellishment. And sorry about that. My phone just went off. Isn't that funny? It never does when I'm doing these. Anyway, long story short, these little, I'm trying to find where, I'm trying to look for them, but I don't know where I put them. These little embellishments were, oh, here they are. They are iridescent faceted gems. And let me tell you, they went with every card, and they probably would have went with the happy birthday too, but I felt like it was just a little too. But anyway, if you have blues, pinks, yellows, greens, they all go very well with this iridescent faceted gem. Anyway, and the ones that I used for the happy birthday are the adhesive backed pearl trio. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supply section on my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.